Hi, so in this video we're going to explain the importance of surface area to volume ratio. I will be explaining what surface area is, while Richard will be explaining what volume is. So essentially, surface area is the amount of membrane around a cell. So I have a little example here with stick figures. So let's say the amount of arms represents the surface area, and how big the stick figures are represents the volume, and the stick figure as a whole represents the cells. So this is one cell and this is another cell. So let's say this stick figure represents the perfect surface area to volume ratio, what all cells would like to be. So this means he or she is able to acquire the right amount of nutrients at a good rate, being that they have two arms. So in terms of a cell, more surface area to volume ratio. So all these nutrients here will go in efficiently. Compared to this stick figure here, who is bigger but has tiny little arms and is slow, so nutrients isn't being consumed enough and at a perfect rate. So all in all, cells like to be at a certain ratio so that they are efficient at getting nutrients. So the larger a cell becomes, the smaller the surface area to volume ratio.
Okay, so at this portion, I'll be explaining the volume and surface area side of a cell.
Boring!
And basically, at some point, if the volume gets bigger than the surface area, so at some point, the cell must divide. So surface area won't go at metabolic rate and see too much energy. Because if the volume on a cell gets too big, it needs energy to feed that. And if it can't get that energy, it won't function properly. So a good example of this would be showing a beaker and water. So we go make sure the beaker represents the surface area and the volume represents the water. So in this example right here, at a certain point, the volume will get too much that it will start overflowing over the beaker, which causes the beaker not to, well, it's in the example of a cell, not to function properly, which we don't want that to happen. So the main thing cells go through is mitosis. That was a bad underline. Hold on. Boom. It goes through mitosis. And the reason why it goes through mitosis so that the cell won't get too big and causes the cell to function not properly, because it will be able to stay at its optimum level and obtain the nutrients it needs to get. So that's the reason why cells go through mitosis, so it can maintain the volume to surface area. There's other reasons too, but this is one of the reasons why surface area to volume ratio is very important, so that cells can function properly with the nutrients it grabs.